Hi everybody, this is Merav, and today I'm going to teach you how to add a lesson to a course on Guru. So here we are on the Guru cPanel, and you need to access the course pages. So you can either access it by clicking courses here, or under training you can click courses. So this is the list of your courses. Now if you want to add a lesson, you must do it on the course tree, or what we also call a table of content. So for example, let's click on this course, and now you can see the table of content here. As you can see, it's already built and it's already done. But if you want to add a lesson, you first must have at least one module. If you don't have any module, click on add new module and add one module. Once you have one module, click on the link saying add a new lesson, and what you will get is a light box like that you can start filling out. So you need to give a lesson a name. For example, getting started. You choose the difficulty level and who can access this lesson. Is it the students, members, or guests? Students are people who paid for this course. Members are people who are members of your site. They don't have to pay for this course. And guests is everybody. Now let's take a look on the front end for a second. If I look at this course on the front end, this is the table of contents. And as you can see, most of the links are gray, and that means they are not accessible for guests or people who are not students. And when I click on them, I get this thing asking me to subscribe. But some of the links are blue and underlined, which means they are available for people who are not students. And as you can see, it shows me the lesson right here. Alright, so back to the lesson. So I chose who can access the course, and now I can choose the layout of the lesson. Now this is really cool. You have quite a few options to choose from. The most common thing you're probably going to use if you're going to create a video course is the video layout, or the media layout, which is the default one. And basically it allows you to choose which media to show, and that's the only thing that's going to show on the lesson, just like the lesson we just saw on the front end. And basically all you have to do is select the media that you want to display. Now you can sort it by different categories, or you can do a search, for example, for a specific media, and then you pick it, and then it's going to be displayed here. Now you might want to have only text inside this lesson, and then you'll choose the second layout, which allows you to choose one of the available texts. Alright, now if you don't have a text or media, you can always click on new text or new media to edit on the fly. The third option is a quiz. It allows you to select one of the quizzes that you've already entered, and it will show you the quiz right here. The fourth option allows you to enter to choose a media on the left and a text on the right. The fifth option is text on the left and media on the right. The sixth option is two media on the left and text on the right. You can see you have another option here to add another media. The seventh is the opposite, two medias on the right and text on the left. This option is media on top, text at the bottom. This option is text on top and media at the bottom. This one is two media files on top and text at the bottom. And this one is text on top and two media at the bottom. This one is text on top, media, and then text again. So this allows you any flexibility you need for displaying your lesson with media and text. Now when we say media, we mean video, audio, document, URL, execution file, or anything similar to that. So it gives you every possible media. Now once you selected the layout and you chose the media or the text or the quiz, there's another thing that you can do. You can add a jump button. If you want to jump them to a different location in the course, for example, if you're explaining how to install a software but they already installed it, you can have a button saying already installed it, and then send them to a page that is more relevant to where they need to be, and then you click save. So once you're done with the general tab, you can switch to narration or sound, which means it's going to display some sound or some background music, whatever you select. So click on select audio, and it will show you all the audio files that are available, and you can even play them right here to hear how it sounds. If you want to pick an audio, just click on the audio name and it will display it right here. This is good, for example, if you want to give them instructions of what to do with that lesson. For example, hey, here you can download the PDF, or whatever instructions you want to give them, or if you just want to play some background music while they do a quiz, while they do whatever. The next tab is publishing. It's whether you want to publish this lesson at all or not, and what dates it's going to be published on. And the last one, of course, is the meta tags. That's where you enter the title, keywords, and description, meta tags. And once you're done with all that, you click save. And what will happen, this lesson is going to be shown right here at the end of the module where you clicked add new lesson. If you want to reorder it, you can just drag it around. You can even drag it inside a different module, like here. If you want to delete it, just click the X, the red X, and it will be deleted. So this is it about how to add a lesson to Guru.